In Ecuador, a car wash worker was guiding a pickup truck onto a washing platform during routine operations. While positioning the vehicle, it moved forward unexpectedly and made contact with the worker. Co-workers responded immediately. In China, an elevator was closing with passengers inside when a person outside attempted to force entry by blocking the doors with an object. The doors continued closing, trapping the object as the elevator started moving, which caused damage to the door system and led to an emergency stop. In China, a pedestrian with a hearing impairment was crossing a roadway when a three-wheeled vehicle approached along the traffic line. Due to limited situational awareness and ongoing vehicle movement, the driver was unable to avoid contact, resulting in a collision. Pedestrian safety requires heightened attention in mixed traffic environments, where smaller or less audible vehicles may approach unexpectedly. Individuals with sensory limitations should use clearly marked crossings whenever available. In China, a cyclist was traveling along a public roadway and entered a city intersection while continuing straight through the junction. At the same time, a truck was moving through the crossing area under active traffic conditions. The cyclist entered the intersection at a time when the truck was already approaching, resulting in a collision within the junction. Intersections require strict attention to right-of-way rules and continuous scanning of all approaching traffic from multiple directions. Cyclists should reduce speed before entering junctions and ensure that cross traffic is fully clear before proceeding. An overhead crane lifts a bundle of aluminum pieces that slip from the strap and fall. 0105. Always use the correct rigging and securely fasten the load. In Malaysia, a male pedestrian attempted to cross a multi-lane expressway during nighttime conditions. While moving across active traffic lanes, the individual entered the path of an approaching car traveling at highway speed. The driver was unable to stop or avoid the pedestrian in time, resulting in a collision. In a road environment, a driver attempted to perform high-speed drifting maneuvers on a public roadway while carrying a passenger. During the maneuver, the vehicle lost traction and stability, causing it to veer off its intended path and collide with roadside obstacles. The vehicle sustained significant damage before coming to a stop. In Russia, a light helicopter was operating at low altitude over a developed area when it entered the vicinity of overhead utility lines. During flight, the aircraft became entangled with the cables, resulting in immediate loss of control. The helicopter descended and impacted the ground in a nearby open area. Low-altitude flight operations require strict adherence to obstacle awareness and approved flight planning. Pilots must maintain safe clearance from known hazards, such as power lines, especially in populated or infrastructure-dense areas. In China, a hot pot restaurant operating inside a shopping center experienced an abnormal increase in cooking temperature at a table unit during business hours. The elevated heat level activated an automatic fire suppression system installed on an upper level of the facility. As a result, water was discharged continuously toward the cooking area, directly contacting the heated pot and surrounding surfaces. The unexpected activation caused disruption to the dining area and required staff to manage the situation while isolating the affected equipment. In Russia, two passenger vehicles were traveling in opposite directions on a public roadway when one vehicle entered the oncoming lane, resulting in a head-on collision. The impact caused severe damage to both vehicles and brought traffic to an immediate stop. Strict compliance with licensing regulations and driving eligibility is essential for road safety. In Vietnam, a motorbike carrying two occupants was traveling on a national highway when it approached a section with active heavy vehicle traffic. During movement, the motorbike became involved in a collision with a container truck traveling in the same direction. The impact caused both riders to be ejected onto the roadway where the rear passenger was struck by the truck's wheels. Motorcycles operating near heavy transport vehicles must maintain sufficient lateral and following distance to avoid entering blind spots. In Nicaragua, a passenger bus operating on a highway route experienced a critical braking system failure while in motion on a curved and sloped section of road. As the vehicle continued without effective braking control, passengers initiated emergency evacuation by using the rear exit and jumping from the moving bus. Several individuals exited onto the roadway while the vehicle was still in motion. The bus subsequently overturned a short distance later due to road geometry and loss of control. Emergency response teams and local residents assisted injured passengers, and one fatality was reported along with multiple injuries. Authorities launched an investigation to determine whether mechanical failure or operational factors contributed to the incident. Jumping from a moving vehicle significantly increases the risk of severe injury due to impact with the road surface and surrounding obstacles. In emergency situations, passengers should follow established evacuation. Everything in the workshop appears to be normal. A worker is operating near a high-speed lathe machine, but a brief moment of distraction is enough. He gets too close to the rotating part and is pulled into the machine within seconds. Nearby workers immediately notice and rush to intervene in panic. In such machines, even the smallest mistake can lead to irreversible consequences. Rotating systems do not forgive. In this incident, everything happens very quickly. A worker is positioned at the back of a garbage truck to load waste. With his back turned, he prepares to lift and throw it into the rear compartment. But at that moment, he trips. He loses his balance, falls backward, and lands directly into the compaction area of the truck. After that, the situation quickly gets out of control. The rear area of such vehicles is one of the most dangerous zones. An operator attempting to descend a steep slope with a small excavator. Everything went out of control within seconds. As the machine lost balance and began to tip over, the operator inside the cabin was thrown around because the door was open and proper protective measures were not in place. The operator was ejected outward and faced the risk of being crushed under the machine. As the excavator hit the ground, a cloud of dust spread, revealing the severity of the situation. In such conditions, working on slopes, maintaining balance, and ensuring cabin safety are vital. This incident once again shows how neglect